Intel versus AMD. Which processor should you choose? Intel or AMD? The longest running war in PC history. Comment sections treat this like religion. Benchmarks get emotional and somehow both sides thinks the other is trash. So today we are not fanboying, we are not roasting, we are choosing the right CPU for you. Let's settle this calmly almost. CPUs are about use, not brands. First rule, there is no universally best CPU. A processor is defined by your workload, your budget and your upgrade plans. Intel and AMD both make excellent processors and terrible choices if you pick the wrong one. So let's break this down properly. Intel CPUs are known for strong single-core performance, very stable software support, excellent gaming optimizations, high clock speeds. Intel loves games, light productivity, low latency workloads. Intel's hybrid architecture, performance cores, efficiency cores. This helps with background tasks, multitasking, power efficiency under light load. Downsides, higher power consumption, runs hotter under heavy load, frequent socket changes. Intel is like fast, polished, slightly power hungry. AMD CPUs focus on excellent multi-core performance, better power efficiency, strong price to performance, long socket support. AMD loves streaming, video editing, compiling code, heavy multitasking. AMD's chiplet designed better scaling, more cores for the price. Downsides, slightly weaker single-core gaming in some titles, memory tuning can matter more. AMD is like efficient, flexible and budget smart. Gaming, Intel versus AMD. For gaming, Intel often wins in raw FPS, AMD wins in efficiency and thermals. But here's the reality, above a certain point the GPU matters more than the CPU. A mid-range CPU plus good GPU beats a high-end CPU plus weak GPU. Choose wisely. Productivity and workloads. For video editing, 3D rendering, virtual machines, development work, AMD often delivers more cores, better sustained performance, lower power draw. Intel still shines in short burst tasks, apps optimized for Intel, Adobe heavy workflows. Platform and upgrade path. This matters more than the people think. Intel changes sockets frequently, AMD supports sockets longer. That means AMD often gives better upgrade flexibility. Motherboard cost also matters, not just CPU price. So we are in the final verdict. What should you choose? Choose Intel if you mostly game, you want top tier single core speed, you prefer plug and play stability. Choose AMD if you multitask heavily, you create content, you care about efficiency and value. There is no winner, only better choices for different users. So pick the CPU that fits your work, not the people's opinions. This is the Tech Guy Explained. You can subscribe to our channel and let me know your thoughts in comment section.